Hey, good morning, guys. So I have two in a row, right? So I have this one and doesn't look bad, right? Yeah, I can hit it real quick. But then I have this one over here, and this one has a lot of leaves. And as you can hear, it is freaking windy. It is windy as heck today. So I'm gonna blow first, and I don't know where I'm gonna try to blow these up, but most likely it's not gonna happen. I'll try and see what happens, but I think it's gonna just blow all the way over there. So these are little situations that you get when you do these type of jobs. I mean, it is super windy. Look at that, and look at that fountain. So most likely I'll try to blow, but if it start to all over the place, I'll just kind of mulch the leaves and let it be, and I'll just get it next time. I come back. But the goal is to at least mulch up the leaves, right? Make it look halfway decent. But over here I should be good to go. So yeah, I will most likely film that, but I'm not gonna film this. I mean, this is just a regular cut. Who knows? I don't know. It's kind of windy, so we'll see what is what. All right, enough talking. It is currently, what is it? Oh, dang. 50 degrees. And this is freaking cold for my area. But the funny thing is, the next 2 days after this is gonna be like 70, 71. So tonight is, this afternoon is gonna be 60 something. So, nah, it is what it is. All right. So the way I do it is I will blow all the debris on the leaves into the lawn and just kind of mulch it up. Now, I am doing this every 2 to 3 weeks for my customers during the winter. And it does two things. It keeps my income steady, and it helps my customers' properties look its best, especially in these subdivisions situations. Now, if you are not doing this on a schedule, what I will recommend is kind of drive around your subdivisions or locations with a postcard stating that you do mulching or leaf cleanups or whatever the case might be, and leave a price on the postcard and just leave it on their door or leave it on their mailbox, not inside the mailbox but outside the mailbox, and with a price. Yes, so if the customer wants the service and if they feel that they can pay for it, then they will give you a call. And this is the quickest and easiest way to keep your income steady throughout the winter. But my suggestion will be just talk to your customers and let them know that you will be coming around during the winter times, the winter months, and just making sure that their property are looking its best. So here is the final look of how the property turned out. And like I said before, guys, the way I charge for these is I will put a 20 to 30% increase on whatever I charge as far as their regular mowing, because the reality is the edging and the trimming is minimized, so the time is sort of kind of the same. So yeah, let me know how you guys do it, and we can continue on sharing tips and tricks. All right, peace.